Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple process of downloading Discord on your Android device. Whether you're looking to chat, play games, or just hang out with friends, Discord has got you covered. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and locate the Google Play Store. This is where you'll find all the apps you need. Open the Play Store, and you'll see a search bar at the top. Next, in that search bar, type Discord and press Enter. This will bring up a list of apps related to your search. Once the results load, look for the app named Discord Talk Play Hangout developed by Discord Inc. This is the official app, so make sure it's the one you select. You'll recognize it by its distinctive logo and name. Now, tap on the app icon, and you'll be taken to the app's page. Here, you'll see an Install button. Go ahead and tap that button to begin the downloading process. The app is relatively small, so it shouldn't take long to download. Once the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button appear. Tap on it to launch Discord for the first time. You might need to log in or create an account, which is easy as pie. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded Discord on your Android device. Now you can connect with friends, join communities, and start chatting in no time. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Happy chatting!